OneKeyers, there's a new option for us under listing exposure that's important for us to understand. It's called MLS Only. It's important for us to understand if we're listing agents or if we have listings in the pipeline so that we can have these conversations with our clients, because this new listing exposure option does require additional paperwork on your end. Okay. The way we select this new listing exposure option is by clicking listing exposure when we're adding that listing into Matrix and clicking MLS Only. Now, what is MLS Only and how does it differ from that private listing? Well, MLS Only listings are not distributed to third-party sites. They do not go out on the IDX feed. They stay within the Matrix system. What that means is that other agents in MLS, in OneKey MLS, can see that listing. Okay? The difference between MLS Only and private listing is that you can only see a private listing if you're looking at a listing that exists within your office. You may not see other offices' private listings. All right? Now, when we add that MLS Only listing exposure, the reminder, that listing does not go out to Realtor.com. It does not go out to OneKey MLS. It does not go out to those third-party sites. So even though my option Syndicate 2 says Realtor.com and OneKeyMLS.com, that listing will not appear on those sites. Important information for us to understand. We can switch our listing from MLS Only to publish to the internet. When we do that, the days on market will reset to 0. The cumulative days on market will continue to count. So how can we market our MLS Only listings? Well, we can have showings, we can have lawn signs, we can do print marketing. We may not do any online advertising for that listing. So what that means is no brokered sites, no agent sites, no social media posts. That listing must stay within the MLS system.